My full name is Om Rakesh Bhai Patel and I am a student at Bright Education Ganj. Just few days ago, I was thinking about to learn something new in computer field because I am going to Canada on the month of April, and of course I have chosen computer programming and analysis course out there. So I was thinking to learn at least basic fundamentals and all type of things. So I came to know about this education via internet. I have read so many good reviews on the internet platform. So I just did my counseling with Meenal ma'am, and the way she explained each and everything about regarding my computer programming courses, it was extremely outstanding. And after completing of my counseling, I just joined my program, and I have taken C language, C++, Java, Python, Core Python and all that. And till now I have learned so many new things in computer fields, and it was a great experience for me to study at here, Bright Education. So whoso wants to learn any of the program in computer field, so this is the place for you guys. And I would highly recommend Bright Education Vadodara, Ganj, and it has 2 branches as well in Vadodara Road also. So the fee structures and management sirs are quite convenient for all of you because it is very supportive. Whenever I get any difficulties while learning, there are a lot of sirs and madams who always there for us, and they just solve our problems. So this is all about the Bright Education.